By integrating JIT with GitHub, we can begin scanning our codebase in minutes, while implementing continuous code scanning for every pull request. Let's see how to get started. After signing up for a new account, you'll be brought to the Quick Start page, which will guide you through the process to implement JIT. Our first step is to install the JIT app on GitHub, which will provide JIT access to our repositories. Now let's select a GitHub organization. From here, we can choose to scan all of our repositories, or just a select few. Feel free to check out the required permissions and install the JIT app on GitHub. Next, we'll authorize the integration. Now that we've installed the JIT app, our last step is to select a repository or create a new repository to store JIT's configuration files. You can make changes to these files within the JIT UI or as code within GitHub. Now that the integration is complete, JIT automatically scans our codebase using the static analysis, secrets detection, and software composition analysis scanners. Let's give it a few moments to detect existing vulnerabilities in our GitHub repos. It looks like our scan's wrapped up, so we can begin analyzing the results. Let's see what the scanners found by navigating to the backlog page. Here we can see all of the existing security issues in our codebase, which mainly includes security issues detected by the static code analysis scanner. To find other types of vulnerabilities, we can activate additional scanners by going back to the Quick Start page or going to JIT security plans. Let's select the Max Security plan, which contains all of JIT's scanners. As I scroll down the list, I can activate security controls like SBOM, infrastructure as code scanning, among many others, providing us full product security coverage in one place. Activating a control scans my codebase for existing vulnerabilities and enables continuous scanning for every code change within our pull requests. Let's check it out in GitHub. In this example, I'll create a pull request and add some insecure Python code that uses a shell process. Adding new code will automatically trigger a JIT scan that provides feedback on the security of every code change. JIT never pulls code to the cloud to run the scans. It all happens within your GitHub environment. We can see the JIT scan kicks off right away. Let's give it a few moments to finish the analysis. In less than a minute, the scans detected the security issue. JIT provides all the relevant information we need to resolve the problem without leaving the pull request. We can see the description of the issue as well as remediation guidance for how to fix it. This includes auto remediation, which provides a suggested code fix to resolve the vulnerability in a click. With this unique user experience for developers, they can easily adopt JIT into their code commit routines to consistently resolve security issues before production. By integrating JIT with GitHub, we were able to scan our codebase for existing security issues in minutes, while implementing continuous scanning for every pull request. You can do the same with our free trial. Give it a shot and let us know what you think.